What's up, everyone? I'm making this video. This is an important video. I got this debought Ecovacs X1. You can see I got for $50. You believe it? This machine is about one of the best on the market. Cost between $1,500 to $2,000, I think. That one over there, I spent $800. I bought at Lowe's. Really good, but been 3 years I have that. They're okay. But this one I got for $50. And there's something wrong with the deck. The water was staying over here. I'm learning a lot about this machine. I take a risk to open to see what's going on. Because we have the tank with the water going in and out. It was amazing. The new technology, pretty good. The problem was what's going on with this area. It was like the water stay here, the water go right here, stay, and then the disc like clean it up, and then go inside this area and suck it up. But it was not going through this pipe. It's been a couple of days. I'm like, something wrong. And then I find out, well, I just removed the screws from this one, from this area. Sorry, camera. And then right here in this little area, that was this thing right there. And you can't remove it. I mean, you have to open this whole thing and take all the screws out, and then so you can clean it. I think it's missing something here, like a filter. Maybe it's a filter that's missing right here to prevent to not get anything inside. But this sucks because how you gonna disconnect this? Look what I have done. I almost disconnected like completely. But anyway, I'm just trying to show you guys. I don't find any video someone showing this, but if there's something happened, the water's not coming back, I try to clean it. I try to clean it right there with the toothpick. I put it right there and then clean it right there. And then I was like, how it is inside. So it was, I thought this area was like very dirty, but it was not dirty much. But the problem was the trash got inside here. So, and then when you put it back on this way, when you put it back on this way, and then that pipe, and then this pipe connect right here. Sorry, camera. Connect like right here when you put it back there. And then they will get all the water. But this little guy here, nasty. It was inside that pipe. And then because they make a churn, let's make a churn right there, they will not come out. So I think that's why the person don't want to deal with this. And then give it to somebody else for free. But I bought it for $50. So now everything works fine. I have the bag, you know, everything here. Well, I'll put all the pieces together and I'll show you guys how it works. And also I'm gonna clean this better. If you know how to get this filter from here, let me know, because I'm new with this machine. But so far, it's amazing. It was annoying because the water stayed like right here. It was not going through. So, there we go. If you liked what I have done, I hope this is helpful. I had to open. I had to do it. So, to figure it out. For sure, a lot of people have the same problem. Another thing is the vacuum. Oh, let me grab the robot just a second. All right, so this is how it works. So when the vac is done, the vacuum go, the vacuum go backward, and then this disc go right here, and then wash it, take all the dust and hair. That's the part I don't understand. And then all this stuff gonna go here again and get stuck. So eventually that will happen again. So you understand when you get this vacuum. And also I need to buy those parts. This one is pretty bad, but this one is okay. This one you can take it off, right? That one's okay. They do a good job. I love it. It's pretty good. It's amazing for 50 bucks. But I was so curious about what's going on. So anyway, so I did it. I want you to understand how it works. This needs to be cleaned constantly. But something I don't like, again, if this got so much stuff from cats and dogs and in our own hair, it's gonna go to this area, right? It's just have to be something right here to catch the whatever trash, so they don't go to this little pipe, because that curve is gonna hold all the trash like that happened. But anyway, I'm gonna put all this back together. It's gonna take me a while, and then I'll make another video. I hope you guys like what I did. Nobody had done this kind of job, right? To show exactly what's going on, how to clean it and save it, because this person's lost a lot of money on this machine and was not easy to open. It was another piece right here I have to remove, like 1,000 screws. I was like, you know what? Why not? You know, just $50, but I'm feel proud of myself. I found the problem, because with the toothpick down here was not gonna clean anything. It was just gonna go like right there. That's what I was trying to do, find out what's going on, but it's right there. But the problem was here. But anyway, it's clean. Well, if you like this video, let me know, and thank you very much. All right, when I thought everything was all right, I have to disconnect it, because this pipe is supposed to go from here, coming out this way, and go here, and I did not see that. So look, the mistake I did. It's right there. The cables, the pipe is kind of smashed a little bit. The hole's gonna smash a little bit. So I'll have to fix it. So now I'm gonna disconnect again, put it back here, and then good to go. All right, I put it back on. You can see. Now I'm gonna move this upside down, and then test it. Look how much screws you have to put it. And then look at this one. It's another layer go on top of this one, and then more screws. So it's a lot of work. That's why, look, it was hard to understand where I need to, how to clean the area. I wish I had a lid, something down here, so you can remove it and clean it, so you don't have to open this whole thing, right? But anyway, just to show you guys. All right, guys, I'm here with the final video. I clean it. You can see I put everything back together. It's a Ecovacs, I think, Mini 1X, something like that. All right, let's test it. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh yeah. Water coming out. Perfect. I told you where the water go. Okay. Good. Now we need vacuum. Yes, 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 yes. It's working. Look at that. Working. Nice and clean. Yep, it works. Let me do it one more time. Let's see. Bring the camera. So that is the clean water, and then this one is the dirty water. See? Okay, let's try again. I don't put too much water here just to test it. But, all right, there we go. All right. First time I did fix something like that. This is my first time doing this. See the water got there. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the removing the water. Fix it. All right, if you like this video, help me out because YouTube now they change it. I got 1,200 hours on long videos. Now they just gonna change by, I think it was January, for 8,000 hours. That's unbelievable. I don't know how to get this much. If you can help me out, that'll be great because I'm trying new things. If you can help me out, I only have 6 months to get the 4,000 views hours. Oh, sorry, so I can get monetized. So let's get done. If you help me out, it will be great. So I hope you like the video. I'm proud of myself for get this thing done. And later we'll make more videos about how to clean the vacuum, all the details. So you can see it's an amazing machine for 50 bucks. I got very lucky. Anyway, so later I'm gonna show you more about this one over here, how complicated it is. But anyway, I hope you like my video. Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
Now she's washing the brush before she starts working. It works perfectly. Yep. That's how she's gonna do it. How long it take for her to finish? Now they start cleaning. Let's see. Now they're just collecting the water now. Let's see. Probably take a couple seconds. There we go. They don't touch the legs. Look how nice it is. Do not touch the legs. You got like 1,000 cameras on that. Look at that. The other one I had, it hit everything. If I have to put the legs, the chairs up. But this one is not necessary. Look at it.